Hi friends, I'm Error Slayer and today I will show you how to create a Geometry Dash account on mobile. If you're ready, open the Geometry Dash and click the settings icon in the main menu. Then click the Account tab. Click Register. Now, create your registration information by filling in the username, password, and email fields. You must enter a valid email address because you will need to verify it. As you can see, it says our account has been created and we need to click the account activate link sent to our email address. Check your email inbox and find the activation email. Be sure to check your spam folder specifically, then click on Click Here. As you can see, it says our account has been activated and we can now log in. Let's open Geometry Dash again and log in. Open the Account tab again and this time click on Login. Then log in using the information you provided when registering. We created a Geometry Dash account. We activated the account and successfully logged in. I hope this step-by-step tutorial video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day!